and everything. Okay, now okay, Charmi. Okay, GB ma'am, Amita ma'am, my voice
Yes,
is clear. Any problem
yes,
regarding it?
yes, 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 yes.
Yes,
Clear.
your voice is clear.
Okay, thank you. Sir joined or not, that I don't know. GB ma'am.
He's there, he's there. Sir is also there.
Okay, once he will say, then we will start, ma'am.
Okay.
Kakadia sir.
આવ્યો વોઇસ
Yes, sir.
તો હવે સ્ટાર્ટ
Yes,
કરી
sir.
દો. આ વેઇટિંગ છે ને આપું બધાને જ છે લગભગ 4 જણ એટલે બધાને
સર આપી દેવું કારણ કે 100 ની લિમિટ છે એટલે વાંધો નહીં.
ઓકે ઓકે ઓકે
અને સર તમે વર્ચ્યુઅલ બેકગ્રાઉન્ડ કર્યું છે તો તમારું નથી આવતું હા બ્લર આવે છે પાછળનું જ આવે છે.
મારો ફોટો ને હવે એ હું એને રિમૂવ કરવા જાઉં પણ નથી થતું.
ઓકે
ટ્રાય કરી જાઉં છું.
હા
બેકગ્રાઉન્ડ નો વર્ચ્યુઅલ બેકગ્રાઉન્ડ એને રિમૂવ કઈ નહીં ચાલશે આપણે તમે સ્ટાર્ટ કરી દેજો ને પછી જો બધા આવી ગયા હોય તો બરાબર.
ઓકે અમિતા મેમ
Yes, teacher.
can you start?
Yeah. My voice is clear?
Yes, yes, clear.
Okay.
Teacher.
Yes, yes, teacher.
Rajvi teacher.
Yes,
Rajvi.
yes, yes.
अभी होस्ट नहीं है मैं.
હા વેટ અ મિનિટ કાકડિયા સર
હા
તમે એકવાર લેફ્ટ થઈ ગયેલા ને એટલે કોહોસ્ટ નો પાવર જતો રહ્યો. તમે એકવાર જીબી મેમ ને કરી દેશો.
કોણ લેફ્ટ થઈ ગયું છે?
તમે એકવાર લેફ્ટ થઈ ગયેલા તો પાવર જીબી મેમ પાસેથી જતો રહ્યો છે તો તમારે એકવાર એમને પાછું કોહોસ્ટ બનાવવા પડશે.
એક મિનિટ
હા
તમારે પ્રોબ્લેમ છે તમારે ત્યાં. એક મિનિટ હા શું પ્રોબ્લેમ આવે છે રાજીવભાઈ?
જીબી મેમ જીબી અનિલ લખેલું છે ને તેમને કોહોસ્ટ બનાવી આપજો.
એક મિનિટ કેવું નામ કીધું?
GB Anil. GB Anil.
एंड जीबी मैम आप स्पॉटलाइट पे डाल सकते हो, पिन कर सकते हो, मतलब जो भी बोलेंगे उसके.
हेलो मैम.
यस
मैं टीचर नेम कैसे चेंज हो रहा है भाई? नेम
अभी
नहीं हो रहा है
name change
चेंज.
नहीं हो रहा है तो ओके कोई बात नहीं, आप ज्वाइन हो गए ना, इट्स ओके.
ओके.
Okay, now all student mute. We will start our session. Our supervisor ma'am Amita ma'am will say something. Amita ma'am, over to you.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, so good evening, dear students. Good evening, teachers, all the participants. I, Amita Dalwadi, on behalf of JHP Sardar Primary School, I welcome you all in this workshop of hands-on activity with science experiment. Actually, this is organized by Community Science Center, Surat. And children, I am happy to inform you that here among us, the director of this Community Science Center is also present, Dr. Kakadia sir. Sir, I welcome you here. And sir, I thankful to you as you have given chance to our children to take part in this such a wonderful workshop so that they can make them active in this pandemic situation. Really, and I'm sure they will enjoy this activity. Okay, so thank you so much, sir. Now, Rajvi teacher, I do not waste the time much. I hand over to you now.
So,
Thank you.
Thank you. very much.
ઓકે કાકડિયા સર તો સ્ટાર્ટ કરે.
હા સ્ટાર્ટ કરો એટલે આપણે હવે વધારે ટાઈમ ના.
Okay. So first of all, good evening to all students. I know you all are waiting. I hope you and your family safe and healthy. Due to current situation, we all together by virtually for doing science activity. As you did last year also in a standard 6, but unavailability of the material, you hadn't done all activity at your home. Now you have a kit, and in these 2 days, you will be able to do minimum 17 activities. It's more than 17, but now minimum 17 activities you can do in these 2 days. It is very well said that science is simply the word we use to describe a method or organizing our curiosity. And students, you know very well that everything is impossible theoretically until it's done. So not taking much time, let's enjoy science activity. Open your kit. As I told you earlier also, when session will start, at that time only you have to open your kit. So now it's the time you have to open your kit. You have a box like this. You all receive this type of box. Now open this kit. Afterwards you will receive this type of different cards. So first you have a brown color cards, 3 brown color cards like this. So first take out these cards, all students. Did you take out?
टीचर मेरे पास नहीं है, मैं मेरे पास नहीं है।
What's your
मेरे
name?
पास भी नहीं है।
See, students,
Yes,
जो 20 students थे उन्हीं के
मैम
पास
मेरे
ये
पास भी नहीं है।
बाकी के स्टूडेंट्स को इसको सिर्फ ऑब्जर्व करना है। यहाँ से डेमोस्ट्रेट होगा, बाकी के स्टूडेंट्स करेंगे, आप इसके ऊपर से भी सीख सकते हो। जो फर्स्ट 20 स्टूडेंट्स थे उन्हीं के पास ये किट्स। सो जिसके पास किट्स है, टेक आउट दिस फर्स्ट कार्ड. See, you have a kids in a Gujarati. As you know, Coach provide this kit to us. So it is in a Gujarati. Take out first card. Written on a first card is Bhumino Cup. On a first card, written is Bhumino Cup. Have you received these symbols? See, outer side of the cards, you can see the image of this one. Find out this card, all students. Whoever received the kits, that student have to bring this card. Okay. Okay, now I can see in a video so many students already ready with this card. Yes, Kanish, right? Yes, Vidhi. Okay, now it's the last page of this card. First page, this one. In a Gujarati, I'm reading only title of a Gujarati, and in English, I'm telling to you what's the meaning in English. These kids. First is Bhumino Kap. Bhumino Kap means to identify the component of a soil. Know that in a 7th standard in science we have a different chapters. So in a science NCERT syllabus, chapter number 9 is our soil. So first activity is based on a chapter number 9. Aim of this activity is to identify the component of a soil. Now soil have a different structure, different partition, different topics in the chapter number 9. One of topics selected from that NCERT textbook, it is to identify the component of soil. Now I will demonstrate you how to do. With me you have to do one by one steps. I will represent you and you have to do this thing. For this activity, first of all, what is required? 1 glass of water. As I told you, material you kept ready also, I know about it. So 1 glass of water, 2 bowl soil I told you, so bring 1 bowl only. Take 1 bowl of soil. Afterwards, a spoon and 1 more glass. So first of all, you can see here I taken a beaker, but as at your home beaker is not available, I mentioned 1 glass. So take a glass. In a glass, you have to pour some soil. Like this. You can see all students pin on my screen so you can see easily. It is our first step. You have to fill up soil half of glass. Okay, like this. ऑल रेडी? बेटा आपका जब रेडी हो जाए ना तो वीडियो के सामने सिर्फ कर दो तो मुझे समझ में आए कि आपका इतना स्टेप्स हो गया। ओके कनिश, वेरी गुड स्वयं। Bhavik is doing. Do it fast. We have to complete so many activities. Yes, Devam. Vidhi, done? Okay, Vidhi is also doing. Okay, do it. I'm waiting here.
Done.
Okay, okay. No need to unmute. Only you have to put like this so I can understand that you're completed. Okay, now we will go on the next step. Take a water in a one glass. Here again I'm taking beaker, but you have to take a glass and pour water in that second glass.
Repeat Sajvi.
Yes.
Now open these, yeah. When you mix, show them properly.
Yes, yes.
Ah, yes.
Okay.
Ah, right. Now it is visible.
Okay. Now students, in a one glass you have a soil and in a second glass you have a water. It's a normal tap water. What you have to do, you have to pour water in a soil like this. This much amount. Okay. Very good, Aryan. Yes, yes. Almost all students done this. Now what we have to do, we have to put this glass for sometimes. We are doing our second activity, third activity. After sometimes we will get this observation and conclusion. What we learn from this activity. Okay. Because it will take some time for settle down. Soil take some time. Okay. So now put it aside and when I will say at the time you have to bring it again. If you observe right now, leaf floating on a water. If you observe on my screen, 2 to 3 leaf floating on water. Can you observe here? Students, you anyone can unmute and tell me.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay, now mute your mic. Now we are going our second activity. ये activity को settle होने में थोड़ा time लगेगा, तो इसको हम side में रख रहे हैं. At the end of the today's session, we will see it and then we will learn that what you learn from this activity. Okay? So put it side. Now your second activity. Second activity, again you have this type of brown card. Okay. In this brown card, wrote above the brown card is Martini pH Matra Jano. Learn pH value of a soil. Activity's name is Learn pH value of a soil. In this activity also, you have a same step, same like a first activity. You have to take a soil, pour the water in it, settle down for some times. Then in your kit, I gave one Ziploc bag and so many material in your kit. So if you will find, you have this type of strip in your kit. Fine. As I told you, whenever you will get your material, your steps, everything, you have to show me like this. Yes, Swayam. Very good. Yes, yes, Aryan. Vidhi, what happened? Any problem?
Teacher, there is no
Okay.
strip in the market.
Yes. What's your name?
Teacher Viraj Palia.
Viraj. Check it properly. Once all activity completed or material used, then you will get this. Okay. So be patient. If you will not get it, I will give you. Okay. Okay. Now students, in these, by using these litmus paper, you can find pH value of a soil. Now why it required? Why we want to find the pH value? What is the soil pH? And how it is useful? First of all, learn this thing. Soil pH is the measurement of the acidity or alkaline of the water held in its pores. See, you heard this word acidic, basic. You heard this word in a 6th standard also, and in a 7th standard, in a chapter number 5th, you will learn some basic contents about acidic and basic. But you will learn in a food, in a chemical, but it is present in a soil also, children. So how can we measure soil pH value in a soil? And how can indicates if you will read pH scale, different color 1, 3, 5, 6, 7 up to 14. You can see on your pH paper. Now, what is the value of this different value? So I'm explaining you from pH 7 to 0. What from pH 7 to 0 means at beginning one pH scale is given. So 0 to 7 is incurability of the acidic. It represents soil have a acidic content. While 7 to 14 is the alkaline. Alkaline, some students heard this word of alkaline also in a 6th standard in a one KC activity we learn about is alkaline water. It is good for our health also. When you decreasing your B12 and some other impurity, you need alkaline water. Okay, so soil pH affect. Now pH you know acidic and alkaline both thing now you know